Top 3 AI tools that predict market trends and make you rich. How AI is changing the finance game. The rise of smart money. For decades, access to predictive financial tools was locked behind the glass walls of investment banks and multi-billion-dollar hedge funds. Only institutional players with deep pockets could afford algorithmic systems that parsed data and forecasted trends before they hit mainstream markets. But the world has shifted. Now, thanks to consumer-grade AI tools, that edge is available to everyone, even a solo investor working from a laptop. AI doesn't just crunch numbers, it processes nonlinear patterns, identifies hidden correlations, and detects momentum signals across stock prices, commodities, currencies, and even macroeconomic indicators. And here's the kicker. The same AI systems that used to power trading desks at Goldman Sachs or Renaissance Technologies are now distilled into apps or platforms for under $100 a month. So whether you're a crypto enthusiast, long-term investor, or total beginner, AI is your co-pilot, and it's equipped with radar, night vision, and heat maps. From guesswork to precision, the AI investing advantage. Let's break this down. Traditional market analysis was reactive. News breaks. The stock reacts. You try to catch the wave. By then, you're already late. But with AI, real-time web scraping. Tools like AlphaSense or Numeri scrape financial reports, global news, economic calendars, and Reddit threads in real time. They don't just gather data, they analyze it. Sentiment analysis. AI reads between the lines. It knows when Elon tweets something that'll nudge Dogecoin, or when a lawsuit against a biotech firm signals an opportunity. Predictive modeling. Advanced bots use machine learning to understand seasonal cycles, election year behavior, consumer shifts, and even geopolitical triggers. Imagine knowing when a particular sector, like green energy or AI chips, is about to explode, based on thousands of data signals, before any human trader even sees it coming. That's not a fantasy. That's AI in action. AI doesn't replace strategy, it supercharges it. Let's get real. AI is powerful, but it's not a magic wand. Blindly following a bot's prediction without understanding context, that's a rookie move. Here's what pros do instead. Use AI tools to filter out noise. Combine insights with personal knowledge or macro views. Backtest predictions to see how reliable they are. Integrate AI outputs into a broader, diversified portfolio strategy. The beauty is in collaboration, not replacement. A smart investor uses AI to reduce human bias, avoid emotional decisions, get alerts on anomalies or breakout patterns, allocate funds more intelligently. Think of AI as a scalpel, not a hammer. It's precise, surgical, and game-changing, in the hands of someone who understands when and how to use it. Trade Ideas. The AI day trading assistant used by pros. Trade Ideas isn't just a stock scanner. It's a full-blown AI engine built to find profitable trades in real time, while most traders are still stuck analyzing charts manually. Its secret weapon? An AI engine called Holly. Holly runs millions of simulations every single night using real market data. By morning, she delivers a curated list of the highest probability trades based on technical setups, risk-reward ratios, volume and price action, market trends, and anomalies. This means instead of digging through hundreds of tickers, you wake up to a data-backed playbook of what to buy, when to buy, and how much to risk. Let's say Holly spots a low-float biotech stock that just triggered a multi-day breakout pattern, with 3 years of back-tested data showing an average 6% move in 2 days. Holly alerts you. You act fast. By the time retail traders catch on, you're already in profit. Who should use it? Day traders and swing traders who want to remove guesswork. Busy professionals looking for high-conviction setups. Beginner traders who want to learn from AI-powered strategy. Use Holly's risk mode filter to align with your personal style. Aggressive for momentum trading, or conservative if you prefer safer entries. Kavoot, the AI engine that ranks stocks, based on human plus quant data. If Trade Ideas is a short-term assassin, Kavoot is the long-term strategist. It's powered by Kai, a predictive AI model that assigns each stock a K-score, a numeric rating of future performance probability. But what makes Kavoot different is this. It doesn't rely purely on charts. It combines fundamental, technical, and behavioral data. That includes earnings reports, insider buying, selling, CEO tone during earnings, Analyst upgrades. Social sentiment, price action momentum. The result? A curated list of high-scoring stocks, often ones that aren't even on Wall Street's radar yet. A mid-cap energy company has a neutral chart but suddenly sees a spike in insider buying, CEO giving bullish statements on a recent call. Analysts adjusting EPS expectations upward. Kahoot assigns it a high K score. The stock rallies 20% over the next 6 weeks, and you saw it coming. Swing traders and long-term investors. Fundamental investors who want to backtest thesis with data. Portfolio builders optimizing asset allocation. Use Kahoot's API to integrate your K-score watchlist into your brokerage dashboard for weekly rebalancing based on AI insights. Alt Index, the AI system that reads the internet to predict what's next. Alt Index is one of the most underrated trend prediction tools in finance. Why? Because it tracks the one thing charts can't: people's actual behavior. Alt Index pulls real-time alternative data from social media platforms, App Store download metrics, hiring trends at companies, Google search volume, product reviews, and brand sentiment. It then feeds all this into an AI engine that flags companies gaining real-world traction before that growth shows up in the stock price. Imagine a small e-commerce company starts hiring aggressively. Their app jumps 4,000 spots in the App Store, and TikTok influencers begin mentioning their brand daily. Alt Index flags the pattern. The market hasn't reacted yet, but early investors jump in. A month later, it goes viral. That's real alpha. Retail traders who want to front-run trends. Growth investors focused on emerging sectors. Crypto enthusiasts tracking early adoption signals. Use Alt Index's composite score to identify top-performing stocks across all data categories. These are the ones most likely to explode. Why these tools matter. This isn't about replacing your brain with robots. It's about amplifying your edge with intelligent data, the kind no human could process alone. These tools don't just help you pick better stocks. They predict industry rotation, spot shifts in consumer sentiment, quantify risk-reward better than most analysts. And the best part? They don't care about hype. They follow pure data. Start predicting profitable trends before they explode. If you're tired of late entries, chasing hype, getting wrecked by market turns, then it's time to invest with intelligence. These AI tools aren't just cool. They're designed to make you profitable. And the best part? They level the playing field. You don't need to be a Wall Street analyst to use them. Subscribe now to MoneyMatic Masters, the home of passive income automation, AI investing hacks, and strategies the top 1% don't want you to know. Let AI do the heavy lifting. You focus on the profits.